We are here at Mostra Convenio with our colleagues from Skadec, and I have here with me my colleague Dennis. Dennis, can you let us know a little bit more what you are showcasing here at Mostra about your technologies and systems?
Yes, hello. So today we showcase here an R290 reversible heat pump. It's a large-scale heat pump for commercial applications. This specific unit has 280 kilowatts of heating capacity, and the largest one in a similar frame goes up to 720 kilowatts. And we use Bock semi-hermetic compressors, which is now a Danfoss brand. And yes.
And Dennis, how Danfoss supported you during the design and the development phase?
Danfoss helped us to select the most sufficient product for our unit, where we can gain the best performance in terms of using R290 in a heat pump application.
Dennis, then we would like to thank Skadec for the good partnership.
Thank you.